Hi-ho, just got to the City Falls Iguazu. This is a Marriott property. Just checked into my room, gonna be here for 4 nights. Let me show you around. Take a moment to subscribe to our channel. It makes a huge difference in our ability to keep making videos like this. So this is the grand view of the room. Got a little wall air conditioner up there. Below, got a desk with looks like a hot water kettle. I haven't found any coffee yet, so I don't think that's going to be provided. However, there is a breakfast downstairs that is provided. Got a nice, I guess that's a king size bed. Looks pretty king size. I'm not too excited about the size of the pillows, but we'll see how that goes. Got 2 little end tables with a drawer in each. Not a ton of drawer storage space if that's something that you're looking for. But overall, a pretty nice modern designed room. Of course, you've got your reasonably sized television on the wall. Should do the trick for falling asleep watching TV if that's something that you do. And got a little sitting area, a reading nook perhaps we'll call it, a place for senior citizens to put on their shoes, something like that. We've got a closet. Of course, it's got a little safe going on in there. Looks like some extra bed linens up there. And the other side is pretty similar. Just another drawer and kind of a table situation. Measly 4 hangers, so hopefully you didn't bring anything nice. I've got some art in the hallway, which I kind of like, a little toucan and some falls. Hopefully we'll actually see the real life toucan while I'm here. We'll keep you posted on that. It's got this thing, which I super hate, is when you have to put in your card from to get things going. It makes it so that it's always hot in your room when you get back. But you know, that's why I keep an extra old card in the old wallet for things like this. The bathroom is very white and tiled, I will say. It's got a very 1996 situation going on. But you know, again, it'll do the trick. Looks like I've got a little hair dryer on the wall and some soap, toilet and a bidet. Every place I've stayed in Argentina has had a bidet. It must be a thing. And looking like some towels up there. Spinning around for the shower. Looks reasonably nice. Sliding glass door provided. Wall products. Pretty standard shower head up there. Should again get the job done. It's pretty no frills. I think this hotel was just over $150 per night for the time that I'm here. So overall, I'm pleased with the room. Got no complaints. We'll let you know if anything changes before we check out. As for the rest of the hotel, the interiors are pretty no frills. Clean enough, fine enough, not a lot of extra flair, but also not really pretending to be something it's not. The elevators are kind of entertaining in a weird way because the power goes out around here sometimes, and when it does, the elevator resets all the way down to the bottom floor. The first time it happens, it's a little bit of a moment, but apparently that's just part of life here and nothing to panic about. There is also a nice pool area up on the roof if you want a little downtime. There's a small bar area up there too, so it's a decent place to hang out for a bit when you're not out seeing the falls. And the rooftop view is pretty great. You get a wide look out over the Iguazu River, which ended up being one of the better parts of the hotel. There is also a little rooftop play area up there, although it was locked when I went to check it out. Breakfast is included, which is always nice, and there is a pretty solid spread. Fruit, cereals, meats and cheeses, pastries, enough to get yourself going before heading out for the day. So overall, for the price, I think this hotel is great. It's not fancy, it's not over the top, but it does what you need it to do, and it does it pretty well. Now go see City Falls Hotel, Puerto Iguazú, Argentina.